Welcome back, dear students, to Standard 6 Subject Mathematics, Chapter 5 Decimal Fraction, Module 4. Myself, Miss Komal Narute. Let's see the learning objectives of this module. So, in this module, you will be learning about multiplication of decimal fractions and questions related to it. So let's get started. Multiplication of decimal fractions. In multiplication of a decimal by a decimal number, we will learn how to find out the product of a decimal by another decimal. To multiply a decimal number by a decimal number, we first multiply the two numbers ignoring the decimal points and then place the decimal point in the product in a such a way that the decimal places in the product is equal to the sum of the decimal places in the given number. The rules to multiply a decimal number by a decimal number are: first one is remove the decimals of the numbers and then take the two numbers as whole numbers and multiply. Second one is in the product, place the decimal point after leaving digit equal to the total number of decimal places in both the numbers. Third one is counting must always be done from the unit place to the product. So these are the rules to multiply decimal number by decimal numbers. Let's see one example. Multiply 4.3 by 5. So here first we will remove the decimals of the two numbers and then take the two numbers as the whole numbers and multiply. So here first we have removed the decimal point. So here we have written 43 multiplied by 5. So when we multiply this, we will get 215. So now, in the product place, the decimal number or a decimal point after the leaving the digit equal to the total number of decimal places. So here you can see we have placed the decimal point. So here you will put after one digit your decimal point. So your answer will be 21.5. So like this you will do. For multiplication of decimal fraction, we have one more method. So in this method, first we will convert our decimal numbers into common fractions and then we will multiply this. So let's see how to do that. So here 4.3, that in common fraction we have written 43 upon 10 multiplied by 5 upon 1. So here in denominator we have written 1. So now we will multiply this 43 multiplied by 5 upon 10 multiplied by 1. So 43 multiplied by 5 you will get 215 and 10 multiplied by 1 you will get 10. So 215 upon 10. So that is 21.5. So like this also you can solve. So let's see one more example. So this is a word problem. So here question is, the rate of petrol is 62.32 per liter. Seema wants to fill 2.5 liter of petrol in her scooter. How many rupees will she have to pay? And which operation is required here? So here multiplication operation is required. So let's see solution. So first, multiply ignoring the decimal point. So here we will multiply. So 62.32 liters petrol is the rate of the petrol is, and she wants to fill 2.5 liters. So we have to just ignore the decimal point. So here we will get 6232 multiplied by 25. So here we will get, so like this you will multiply 6232 multiplied by 25. So when you multiply you will get 1,55,800. Now in second step, so here the product starting from the unit place, we count as many places as the total decimal places in the multiplier and the multiplier, and the place of the decimal point before them. So here we will put our decimal point. So 62.32 multiplied by 2.5. So here total in first you can see two numbers are there in multiplicand, and in multiplier only one number is there. So total 3. So here after 3 numbers from the right side we will put our decimal point. So your answer is 155.800. Students, now we will discuss practice set 16. Question number 1 is, if 317 multiplied by 45, that is equal to 14,265, then 3.17 multiplied by 4.5, that is equal to what? So here the solution will be 3.17 multiplied by 4.5, that is equal to 14.265. So here you can see that after decimal point there are two numbers in multiplicand, and multiplier after decimal point there are only one number. So total three numbers. So in answer after three numbers from the right side we will give our decimal point. So your answer will be 14.265. Question number 2. If 503 multiplied by 217, that is equal to 1,09,151, then 5.03 multiplied by 2.17, that is equal to what? So here solution will be 5.03 multiplied by 2.17, that is equal to 10.9151. Question number 3. First one is 2.7 multiplied by 1.4. So first we will convert these decimal fractions into common fraction. So we will get 2.7, that is equal to 27 upon 10, and 1.4, that is equal to 14 upon 10, and then we will multiply this. So here you can see 27 upon 10 multiplied by 14 upon 10. So here now 27 multiplied by 14 upon 10 multiplied by 10. So here you can see 27 multiplied by 14, that is equal to 378 upon 10 multiplied by 10, that is equal to 100. So your answer will be 3.78. Second question, 6.17 multiplied by 3.9. So first we will convert these decimal numbers into common fractions. So 6.17, that is equal to 617 upon 100, and 3.9, that is equal to 39 upon 10. Now we will multiply this. So 617 upon 100 multiplied by 39 upon 10. So here we will get 617 multiplied by 39 upon 100 multiplied by 10. So 617 multiplied by 39, that is 24,063 upon 100 multiplied by 10, you will get 1000. So now your answer will be 24.063. Question number 3, 0.57 multiplied by 2. So here first we will convert this into common fraction. So here we will get 57 upon 100 multiplied by 2 upon 1. So here in denominator we will write 1. So 57 multiplied by 2 upon 100 multiplied by 1. So we will get 114 upon 100. So that is equal to 1.14. So now this common fraction we have converted into decimal fractions. Question number 4. 5.04 multiplied by 0.7. So first we will convert this into common fraction. So we will get 504 upon 100, that is equal to 5.04, and 0.7, that is equal to 7 upon 10. So now we will multiply this. So here 504 upon 100 multiplied by 7 upon 10. So 504 multiplied by 7, you will get 3528 upon 100 multiplied by 10, you will get 1000. So 3528 upon 1000. So now this we will convert into decimal fraction. So here on in denominator 3 zeros are there. So after 3 numbers from the right hand side, we will put our decimal mark. So here you will get 3.528. Question number 4. Virendra bought 18 bags of rice, each bag weighing 5.250 kg. How much rice did he buy altogether? If the rice cost 42 rupees per kilogram, how much did he pay for it? So let's see solution here. So the weight of one bag of rice, that is equal to 5.250 kg, and number of bags of rice, that is 18. So now here total weight, that is equal to 80 multiplied by 5.250. So students, here you can see this is in 18 is in whole number and 5.250, that is in decimal fraction. So now we will convert this into common fraction and then we will multiply. So here you can see for 18 we have written 18 upon 1 multiplied by 525 upon 100. So now we will multiply this. 18 multiplied by 525 upon 1 multiplied by 100. So 18 multiplied by 525, that is equal to 9415 upon 100. So that is equal to 94.5 kg. So cost of 1 kilogram of rice, that is equal to rupees 42. So now we have to find out the cost of 94.5 kilogram. So here the cost of 94.5 kilogram of rice, that is equal to 42 multiplied by 94.5. So now we will multiply this. So here we will write this in common fractions. So 42 upon 1 multiplied by 945 upon 10. So 42 multiplied by 945 upon 1 multiplied by 10. So here when you multiply, you will get 42 multiplied by 945, that is 39,690 upon 10. So here you can see only in denominator 10 is there. So after one number from the right hand side we will put our decimal mark. So answer is 3969. So total rice bought by Virendra is 94.5 kg and the amount paid for it is 3969. Question number 5. Vedika has 23.5 meters of cloth. She used it to make 5 curtains of equal size. If each curtain requires 4 meters 25 centimeter to make, how much cloth is left over? So here she has total 23.5 meters and she used to make it 5 curtains of equal size. So she, for one curtain she required 4 meters 25 centimeter. So we have to find out, see how much cloth is left over. So here, so we know that 1 meter that is equal to 100 centimeters. So cloth required to make one curtain that is equal to 4 meter and 25 centimeter. So first we will convert this centimeter into meter. So that is equal to 4 meter plus 25 upon 100 meters. So 4 meter plus 0.25 meters. So that is equal to, now we will add this, you will get 4.25 meters. So therefore cloth required to make 5 curtains that is equal to 5 multiplied by 4.25 meters. So first we will convert decimal numbers into common fractions and then we will solve that. So for multiplication, 5 upon 1 multiplied by 425 upon 100. So that is equal to 5 multiplied by 425 upon 1 multiplied by 100. So 5 multiplied by 425 that is equal to 2125 upon 100. So now here, now this common fraction we will write in decimal fraction. So here you can see two zeros are there in denominator. So in numerator, after 2 digit from the right hand side we will give our decimal point. So your answer will be 21.25 meters. So now cloth remaining with Vedika that is equal to total cloth with Vedika minus cloth use. So here total cloth that is 23.5 meter minus here cloth use that is 21.25. Now we will subtract this. So here 23.50 minus 21.25. So here you can see that here 1 we will borrow from 5. So here 4 will remain. Here 10. So 10 minus 5 you will get 5. 4 minus 2 will get 2. Decimal point as it is we will write 3 minus 1 you will get 2 and 2 minus 2 that is 0. So your answer is 2.25. So the length of cloth remaining with Vedika is 2.25 meters. So students, here we completed with module 4. Thank you dear students.